Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can connect your Airtable and Google Sheets with Zapier. Go to your Zapier and from the left panel click on Create button and then click on Zaps button. This will open up a new page where you will be able to connect Airtable with Google Sheets. Here, click on the trigger module, which is the first module. Now here you have two options. You can send data from Airtable to spreadsheet Google Sheets, or you can send data from Google Sheets to Airtable. You can do that in any way you want. So let's suppose we want to send data from Google Sheets into Airtable. Let's say whenever there's a new row added in Google Sheets, we want to send data into Airtable. So for that, we would have to select Google Sheets and trigger, and then in the trigger event, we would have to select new spreadsheet row. So what it's going to do is whenever there's a new record added in Google Sheets, new row added in Google Sheets, it is automatically going to send data into Airtable. If you want to send data from Airtable into Google Sheets, you can select Airtable into the first module and then Google Sheets into the second module. Alright, once you do that, you would be pretty much all done with Google Sheets. Simply press continue and it will ask you to connect your spreadsheet, any spreadsheet that you like to use. Once you do that, simply click on the second step, which is the action step. Here, select the other app, Airtable in this case, and click on action event and select what you would like to happen in the other app. I'm going to click a create record, and that is perfect. So what's it's gonna do is whenever there is a new row added in a particular spreadsheet in my Google Sheets, it is going to automatically create a new record in Airtable. So it's a very useful automation that I use in my business, and it's all done pretty much. Now what you have to do is you have to press this publish button on the top right corner, and once you do that, your automation will be set up and running. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.